we're on. Welcome. This is Brianna and Destiny grind my gears news.
8 minutes.
Shut up.
And on this week's edition of Grind My Gears News, Brianna will tell you her 2 things, and I will go on with my 2 things. Or
it's back and forth, dummy.
Whatever.
Forget Chin. Forget Chin.
Oh, forget Chin. Okay, whatever. Go.
Okay. Okay. Anyway. Rated R movies. Everything's rated R now. Crap. Everything is rated R now. Like the new Final Destination movie, it's rated R. It's rated R now. And like all the good movies you want to see, like alone without your parents, you can't see it because it's rated R. You have to sneak into it. And it's wrong. It's rated R, and it's wrong, because everything is rated R now, and it's just not right. You have to like have an 18-year-old or over to get into the movies, and it's just not right, because it's like lame and everything. Destiny, what grinds your gears?
What grinds my gears, dude, is everything comes out in widescreen now. And it's so much better when it's just full screen. And not everybody has a stupid Zoom. I mean, come on, we're not all rich here. What do you think the economy is? I mean, I'm serious. You know how everything's now all small like this. Look, everything's now all small when it was all big. Wait a minute, which way are you guys taking this? But I'm talking about screens, you guys. Yeah.
Okay. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Oh crap. And here's Destiny. Really. Here's Destiny Destiny, what's the weather today? Destiny, what is the weather today?
The weather is hot.
And spicy. Okay. Now, what also grinds my gears, ow, your elbow hurts, is, shut up. Shut up, okay, shut up. Shut up.
Shut up. Just shut up.
Okay. Is the animal machines with the anchors, the things that you have to like move it and like press the button and it goes down, and it's like so close. It has the head and it comes up, and you know, right when it like knocks like that and it falls, but it doesn't fall in the box, and you're like, crap. And then you have to do it again and again, and then you waste all your money and you never get anything. It's all so tightly packed, and it slips and just slips, and it's like, somebody's gonna have like an attack one day just doing that thing. Just like she did. Here, I'm gonna tell you what she did. She was at the mall one day, and there was like this There was 3 people over here sitting on the bench, and she's playing the game, and she's wasting all her money, like I said. And she had it. This is her last quarter, and it just dropped. It dropped, and she acted like that was the last minute of her life, and she screamed in the mall. She said, "Ah!" And it was in the mall.
No lie.
And those people were looking like, what is wrong with her?
And I started punching the glass and everything. I'm dead serious.
This stuff will make you like crazy. Destiny, what kind you get? Again.
Well, the last thing
I don't care. Go ahead.
The last thing that grinds my gears this week, well, it's kind of complicated to say, because honestly, I don't remember.
Lines in Walmart.
Oh, now I remember. Some little bird just told me. Anyway.
Shut up, okay?
Lions.
Okay, just go.
Okay, lines in Walmart, when they're like so long and you desperately want this one thing, like this bathing suit that you've always wanted, and like you desperately want to get home and just wear it,
really?
But you can't because the line's so long and it takes forever. That sucks.
It really sucks. And is that all?
That's all for me.
And that's all for me. So we'll see you for next week's edition of Grind My Gears News.
Goodbye.
Bye.